Have you ever wondered why you look like you got punched in the face when you wake up and get out of bed? You know that face where you're like, please nobody see me within the first 30 minutes and until I have my coffee? Well, it's because when we sleep, those fluids are just collecting in our face. And I don't know, maybe you had some alcohol the day before, that adds to it. Maybe you had a lot of salt, that all adds to your fluid retention. And so we want to get those fluids moving so you don't have that swamp face. It's like a pond. You don't want to have a pond face. I would rather have like a river. I would drink out of a river, where it flows and the water's fresh and the pond's just kind of sitting there. So think of that as you wake up. So what we want to do is we want to get those fluids moving. And a lot of times people will buy jade rollers and gua shas, and they have really good intentions of using them. And we use those because they help to enhance our collagen production and drain our lymphatic system and depuff our face and under our eyes and get those fluids moving. But they buy them, they don't use them because it's an extra step, or they just use them infrequently. So, Anna Cosmetics has actually designed a product that will help you include all the benefits I just talked about with your daily routine. So, it's a 2-in-1. Actually, it's like a 3-in-1, maybe a 4-in-1. We're going to run through that. But first, this is what I looked like this morning. This is I hope nobody sees me, I look really rough look. But after 2 minutes with the Jade applicator, my face then looked like this. And it's because I was able to get those fluids, that swamp face, to move around. So I actually enhance my skin every single day, at least twice a day. So Ada Cosmetics designed this product. This is the Jade applicator here, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And I use it with Ada Cosmetics products, and they're all designed so that you're not sticking your dirty fingers in your products and on your face. You can get rid of all that because we don't want those germs and the fungus and all the crap that's living under your nails or maybe the oils or whatever. We want that off your face and out of your products. And we just want a clean way to apply our products. So while I'm putting this is the Revive moisturizer. It's a beautiful ceramide. It's designed to help strengthen the barrier of skin. And so Ada Cosmetics uses all active ingredients up to 99.9%. And they're designed to get past that first layer of skin down to the dermis so that you can enhance your collagen production and your hydration and all the good stuff that happens on the second layer, not the first layer, which is what most over-the-counter product stuff does. It's like putting a Band-Aid on your skin. Ada Cosmetics is designed to actually work, not just provide a Band-Aid. So what I do every morning is I sit here and I get into my nasolabial folds. The ergonomical design of this product, it's not like a gua sha where you're like, I can only do so much, and it's not very agile and nimble. This really gets in there. See, it's like an egg almost, just right up in there. And it also gets up under the eyes. Well, we know that the skin under the eyes is really sensitive, and we got to be careful because we don't want that crepey, nasty skin, right? I shouldn't say nasty. I have creepiness. We don't want that under our eyes. So we have to be really careful. So you can do a proper lymphatic drainage. Make sure that you have enough lubrication on your applicator at all times when you're doing this motion. I always go in an upward motion because I am like, hey, skin, hey, muscles, this is what you want to do. You want to go up, right? So go in here and I just pull this down and I do a lymphatic drainage. I get those fluids moving in my face. So I'm actually applying my skincare, so it's my creams, my lotions, my serums, all while I'm enhancing my skin. So again, we're enhancing our collagen production. Right here, I'm working on my 11s because I'm one of these people. I'll look at myself and I'm like, stop it, stop that. All right, so I get up in here. I also like to talk with my forehead. So I make sure that I really spend some time as I'm applying my products right up in here. And you will see within 2 minutes, this was the difference. And I do this in the morning and in the evening, and I just freshen my face. And this is how I help retain that glow. And I retain that sculpted look face because I'm moving those products around. So think about, like that swamp face. Yeah, we want to move it around. We want to be more like a flowing river. We want to get all of our, it's like the gym. You can keep up your metabolism if you are moving your body and you are challenging it. It's the same thing with your face. If you feed it the right nutrients, and by the way, your skin is the largest organ you have. You need to be taking care of it, and you need to have an SPF. And if you don't, go check out Ada Cosmetics Age Defender because it's unbelievable. But you need to be moving those fluids around. You need to be feeding it the right products. You need to be doing things, and you can keep up your collagen production. You don't have to be like, oh, I'm aging, everything's going in this direction. No, 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 no. We can have it be this way, or we can have our skin and metabolism go up this way. It depends what you do to it. So don't just take the average, be the average, age on your term. And you don't need to have that swamp face look at any time of day, even in the morning. You can freshen it up. It only takes a couple minutes. And by the way, you were already doing that couple minutes of stuff anyways. So just get up in there, apply your skincare. Ah, yeah. Depuff under those eyes. And I've been using this applicator specifically for years. Same one. So it's going to save you a ton of money. All right, that's it for me. AdaCosmetics.com. Make sure you go check it out. The Jada applicator, the awesome products. ATAcosmetics.com. That stands for attitude, thoughts, and actions, which are the only three things that you control. When you focus on them, you get in the driver's seat of your life. So go take the wheel of your life, go lead it in the direction you want to be, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.